37. Does eating meat or seafood provide nutrition? Flying and swimming creatures are generally considered unsuitable for human consumption. The 黄帝内经 Yellow Emperor's Inner Classic only states that the 5 domestic animals are beneficial. These 5 domesticated animals are chicken, sheep, cattle, horses, and pig. Domesticated, not hormone-fed. Those fed hormones are often unhealthy, leading to conditions like high blood sugar, high blood pressure, and high blood cholesterol, more disease in contrast. A normal chicken takes a year to reach adulthood in a natural race, growing well. Hormone-fed chicken can be ready in just a few months. Fish and seafood are delicious, but how much hormone is added to their feed? Children today are generally tall, but they don't appear robust. They're often overweight, obese, and physically weak. Fatigue, drowsiness, and slowed reaction times are common. This combined with staying up late can easily lead to sudden health problems. Many children love chicken. Nowadays, many chickens live in cage, like present from birth to maturity. It's cruel to kill them in fear, and the toxins are released into their body. Are these chicken killed with hormones and nutrition? Questionable. The Yellow Emperor's Inner Classic states that the 5 stock are beneficial. The 5 grain staple food nourish. The 5 vegetables are foremost, and the 5 fruit are auxiliary. How should we eat ensure healthy? The 5 domestic animals are chicken, horse, beef, sheep, and pig. Domesticated, not hormone-fed. Number 1. These are land animal, flying animal, and aquatic animal are not included in this category. Deep sea fish and coastal residents who consume large amounts of seafood are prone to high purine and uric acid levels, increasing their risk of gout. Therefore, they should avoid these 5 domestic animals or large amount of seafood. Number 2, naturally raised domestic animals also have lives. When eating them, pray that will not suffer or fear death, thus avoiding the toxins that harm our body. Number 3, meat should not exceed about 10% of total food intake. Staple food should make up 70%, fruit, vegetable, and meat slice 30%, and soon approximately 10%. The 5 domestic animals should be eaten according to the 5 seasons. Chicken in spring, mutton in summer, horse meat in autumn, and pork in winter. During the transition between seasons, beef can also be eaten. Around June, the long summer season, only those meeting the above criteria considered beneficial among the 5 domestic animals. Currently, our indiscriminate eating without standards lead to high blood pressure, high blood sugar. How do various diseases like high cholesterol come about? All things possess a spirit. When we hunt and eat animals, their body produces toxins. Does the meat we eat poison us or nourish us? Think about how does depression, a common condition among students, develop? Life has no accident. Everything is cultivated. If the meat we eat is not naturally grown, if we feel gratitude for it when it's killed, pray for it, and eat meat according to the season. With our daily meat intake not exceeding 10%, it can have a beneficial effect. If we can't do this, we can't benefit from it. The meat we eat now doesn't meet this requirement. We can only try to avoid eating fish and other creatures killed by nature. However, caused their deaths sows the seeds of harm. Humans are vegetarians. The teeth are flat. Cow and sheep have flat teeth. Well, carnivores have pointed necks. Carnivores can digest meat and animate it within a day. Well, herbivores require much more time to digest it. The human intestine is 7 times the length of the human body from mouse to a nut. A piece of meat will quickly rot and spoil at 37 degrees. Human body temperature is around 37 degrees, so it will rot in half a day and take 4 to 5 days to be completely annihilated. Just thinking about the harm that this rotten meat containing hormones and toxins does to the body. Look at all kinds of disease today. And you will know that the solution is to act immediately. And we need to understand about what does eating meat or seafood provide nutrition. And thank you for your watching. We have a lot of class on front, and you can go look at my class. If this helped you and share for others, we all use the by God vessel. Please subscribe my channel. God bless you. Love you all.